think you're fast. What if I told you there's a bird that dives faster than a Formula One car and a fish that swims quicker than Michael Phelps on turbo mode? Today, we're counting down the top 10 fastest animals in the world, and trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. Let's dive right in. At 10, we have the brown hare, which can reach speeds up to 77 kilometers per hour or 48 miles per hour. Don't let its cute looks fool you. This little guy can outrun most predators with bursts of speed up to 77 kilometers per hour. In at no 9 is the blue wildebeest, which can hit 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. Built for endurance and speed, the wildebeest uses its power to escape lions and other big cats. In at no 8, the lion, which can also hit 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. The king of the jungle isn't just strong, it's fast. Lions can reach 80 kilometers per hour in short bursts when hunting. Coming in at number 7 is the pronghorn antelope, which can run at 88.5 kilometers per hour or 55 miles per hour. It's North America's speedster. The pronghorn is not just fast, it can maintain high speeds over long distances. In at no 6 is the springbok, which can reach speeds of 88 kilometers per hour or 55 miles per hour. Agile and quick, the springbok uses its speed and jumping ability to evade predators in the African bush at halfway at 5 is the quarter horse, which can run at 88 kilometers per hour or 55 miles per hour. Known for short-distance sprints, the American quarter horse is the fastest horse breed in the world. In at no 4 is the sailfish, which can swim at 110 kilometers per hour or 68 miles per hour. Fastest in the ocean. With its streamlined body and long bill, the sailfish slices through water like a missile. In at no 3 is the cheetah, which can sprint at 120 kilometers per hour or 75 miles per hour, the most iconic sprinter on land. Cheetahs can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. In at no 2 is the Brazilian free-tailed bat, which can fly at 160 kilometers per hour or 99 miles per hour. Surprise! This bat holds the record for fastest horizontal flight among animals. Yes, even faster than birds. And finally, in at no 1 is the Peregrine falcon, which can reach speeds of 389 kilometers per hour or 242 miles per hour. When diving for prey, the Peregrine falcon reaches speeds that rival race cars and fighter jets. Nature's ultimate speed demon. From the skies to the seas to the savannah, these animals redefine what it means to be fast. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wild facts every week. And now you know.